In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Gmail without password. We'll walk through a clear, safe way to get back into your account without your current password, and then cover the passwordless options you can use if they're already set up on your devices. Start by opening the Gmail sign-in page in your browser. Type in the email address for the account you want to access, then continue. When Gmail asks for your password, select Forgot Password. This moves you into Google's secure account recovery flow. On the next screen, choose Try Another Way. This tells Google you don't have the current password and want to verify your identity using a different method. If you have a recovery email or phone linked to your account, you'll see an option to send a verification code. Choose the option you can access right now. Google will send a one-time code to that recovery destination. Keep your inbox or messages app open and watch for the code. It may take a moment, and codes are time-sensitive, so use it as soon as it arrives. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your email, check other folders, and make sure you have a stable internet or cellular connection. Never share this code with anyone. Return to the Gmail recovery page and carefully enter the code exactly as shown. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick something strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Confirm the new password, save it in a trusted password manager if you use one, and continue. You can now sign in with your email and the new password you just created. If you already set up passwordless sign-in, you may be able to bypass entering a password entirely. The first option is Google Prompt on your phone. When you try to sign in, Google sends a prompt to your signed-in device. Just review the details and tap Yes to confirm it's you. Another option is a passkey, which lets you use your device's fingerprint or face unlock to verify your identity quickly and securely. Finally, you might see a trusted device sign-in, which recognizes a device you've previously approved and lets you confirm it's you without typing a password. That's it. Whether you reset your password using a verification code or used a passwordless method already configured on your account, you now know exactly how to log into Gmail without a password safely and confidently.